What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to Broke Dad Builds today. Today for you, we have a camera review. That's right, camera review. We're going to review this camera for you guys. But before we get to that, I wanted to show you a little bit of my shop. Been working on it for about a year. And before we do any of that, please hit the like button, guys. That's right, I have all day. Hit the like button. Please hit it. Yep, okay, good. So we'll start with this. This is where I keep a lot of my lawn care stuff. I do have some other gas weed whips that ain't up there right now. Got some antique license plates that I've had for a long time. Some RC trucks. I got the electric scooter, electric dirt bike, electric unicycle, e-bike, 50-inch TV, more RC trucks. Got the Chevelle front end, some torches and stuff. So it's getting there. It's almost done. I still have to drywall the ceiling, finish that, tape it, mud it, and paint that, so then it'll be pretty much done after that. But the real reason we're here today, boys, is we got this action cam. It's VIVTAR capture cam, 4K HD. It's got the built-in gimbal. I think it'll do pretty good. It was $70 from Walmart, and I did a review of another camera we got. We got that at Dunham Sports. It was 70 bucks. It was garbage. We had to take it back. If this one isn't any good, we'll take it back and go with the GoPro Hero 9. That is $400. Yep, that's right, $400. And this is Broke Dad Builds, and I don't have $400 to throw around. So I'm doing the cheap cameras. I'm reviewing them. I'm going to test them out. If this one's good, we're going to keep it. If not, we're going to pay up, get the GoPro 9. But I try to put my family first, this stuff second. So we try to go with stuff that's budget friendly. So I'm going to do some shooting with this. I'll splice in the video footage, and you can make a decision for yourself. And I'll also do a small review. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks. What's up, guys? It's been an epic day with the VIVTAR action cam. We've thrown it in the water out there in the waves. We've let it float down a river. We shot some footage when we were driving about 70. We've done everything we could with the camera today. I'd definitely buy it again for the 70 bucks. It shoots a little bit better quality than my GoPro Hero 3, and the battery life's a little bit longer. I think total recording time, we got about an hour out of this. Check out the view today, guys. The final shot for us. I'm gonna actually throw this thing down this hill to the bottom. It's about 18 feet down or something like that, so we're gonna chuck it down there. But I'd definitely buy it again, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.